Hi, I'm Zella, HelixSync's AI assistant. Welcome to your workspace. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the main areas so you know where everything lives and what to look at first. You don't need to know every feature right now. The goal is simple: get familiar, understand the menu, and know where to go next. When you log in, you land here, your dashboard. Think of this as your starting point every day. It gives you a high-level view of what needs your attention, work assigned to you, items coming due, waiting or blocked work, pending invites, and aging tasks. The My Work area lets you filter by what's assigned to you, everyone on the team, or unassigned work. And on the right, Project Pulse, a quick snapshot of risk, stuck items, work in progress, and recent throughput. When you want a fast read about what's happening across your workspace, start here. Below the Project Pulse is a section on what's changed where you can view if your team has mentioned you on a task or any change request updates. Quick actions help you manage administrative tasks, such as inviting a team member or manage roles. On the left is your main menu. The first section is Overview, and it has three parts: Dashboard, Pulse, and Analytics. Now that we've reviewed the dashboard, let's move into Pulse, one of the key visibility centers inside HelixSync. Pulse gives you a higher-level view of what is happening across your work. It helps you see project health, progress, risks, and possible bottlenecks before things start drifting off track. You'll also see different Pulse views: executive, pipeline, and delivery. Each one lets you look at the work from a different angle: leadership summary, pipeline view, or delivery insight. You can see overall health, active projects, task progress, and items that need attention, overdue tasks, blocked tasks, or pending change requests. As your team starts moving work forward, Pulse gets more useful. It reflects what's happening, not just what you planned. When you click Pipeline, you will see what in the pipeline, cycle time, lead time, and more. As you move to the Delivery view, it shows the delivery confidence, scoring, and budget compliance. This section also shows more metrics, which we will delve in later in Pulse. You can set your preferences in this section called Settings, such as Health Thresholds, Health Score Weights, Work in Progress, and Alert Settings, all designed for how you work. Next is Analytics. This is your broader reporting view. You can review requests, completion rates, average resolution time, active projects, change requests over time, and requests by department. Analytics is for understanding patterns, not just individual tasks. For now, just know where it lives. Come back once your workspace has more activity. The next section is Work Management, and this is where most of the day-to-day structure lives. You'll see projects, project library, change requests, calendar, and workflows. Projects is where your active initiatives live. Project library is where you find templates and start a new project from a ready-to-use structure, milestones, gates, sections, and tasks already in place. Change requests capture work that needs review, approval, or adjustment, so nothing gets lost in a conversation. Calendar gives you a date-based view of tasks, meetings, and scheduled work. And workflows let you automate actions, reminders, notifications, alerts, so you don't have to chase things manually. This section is where scattered work becomes something structured and trackable. The People section is where you manage everyone connected to your workspace. Members show your users. Teams group people by function. Departments organize work by business area, operations, finance, marketing, and so on. And locations help manage work across different sites if your organization has more than one. This section becomes especially useful once you start inviting your team and assigning ownership to work. Administration is where workspace-level settings live: organization settings, workspace settings, invitations, bulk uploads, and other admin tools. Most users won't spend much time here at first. But if you're an admin, this is your setup hub. At the bottom of the menu, you'll also find settings for your account and workspace. And if you need help while you're working, the support button is in the lower right corner. Use it. That's your HelixSync workspace. Start with Dashboard for your daily view. Use Pulse for progress and risk. Go to Work Management for projects, templates, and requests. Use People to manage your team. And Administration when you need workspace-level settings. Your next step is simple: open your first project and see the structure that's already been built for you. I'll meet you there. Work Management, Untangled. Helix